Airpods Alternative are one of my favorite genres of earbuds to talk about, and I'm always on the lookout to see whether another company has launched a new pair of Airpods style earbuds.
Clouds are stirring up the sky. I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I loved and what I lost. But let's get lost in love tonight.
We've seen many versions of Airpods style earbuds from Edifier, and today we're taking a look at another version of it, and this time this is designed as one of Edifier's X series of earbuds. So will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the Edifier X6. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Edifier X6. Edifier Malaysia have graciously sent me the new Edifier X6, and I'm really excited to be able to check them out with you. Similar to you guys, I'm always on a quest to look for the next best Airpods alternative. Although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing you with my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about 200 Malaysian ringgit, and that's about 50 US. Pretty normal price point for an Airpods alternative, and if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. The X6 is a very standard Airpods alternative, but the case that the earbuds comes in has a quite unique shape and looks like a Japanese onigiri. The entire case of the earbuds is made of this gloss black finish, and I believe this type of case is pretty much prone to scratches, so you gotta be careful when using these earbuds. There are no labels around the lid or the case or the front of the case, and the only logo or branding that you have is at the back behind the case where the hinge is. Below that, you'll be getting a pairing button, and below that, you'll be getting a USB-C charging port to quickly top up your earbuds. Hidden stealthily below of that port is also a battery indicator, and if you open up the case, it will blink and tell you the battery percentage of the case. So 3 blinks means you have more than 70% of battery life, 2 blink means 30 to 70%, and 1 blink means less than 30%. The lid opening action is super smooth, and Edifier also gives this a nice hinge that snaps into place when you open them and gives the case a super premium feel when you open them. And inside you get the earbuds sitting in a vertical fashion similar to how most Airpods alternative do. The earbuds is one that I really like, and it comes with a super modern design. Ear tips wise, these are your pretty typical Airpods style ear tips, but one thing that I want to highlight is that the tip can be a little bit sharp at the edge here, and it does hurt my ear a bit if you force them to sit inside. The stem of the X6 is super cool looking with a squared off design and a matte black bottom with the branding Zamo branding at the bottom. Apart from that, it's your pretty minimalist, and there's only an LED indicator at the top of the stem that goes away only when you start playing media. The X6 comes with a pretty standard battery performance, very typical to the era of the 3020 chipset earbuds, and at normal volume levels, the earbuds will give you about 5 hours of playback time, and the case boosts that with an additional 18 hours of playback time, effectively giving you close to a full day's of battery life. The earbuds takes about an hour to charge up, and the case takes about 2 hours to fully charge. The X6 comes with pretty nice features, and for starters, it comes with a famous QCC3020 chipset from Qualcomm, which gives you support for aptX and SBC audio codec. The earbuds also comes with a really nice IP54 dust and water resistant, so you should be able to get pretty basic protection from sweating, or if you like running under the rain, this should not disappoint, but IP54 is still not the best for getting it soaking wet. The earbuds, however, comes with a very ancient master and slave mode, and in the case of the X6, the left side is the master, so if you want to use it single-sided, you have to use only the left side, and the right cannot work if the master is not connected. Lastly, there are no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. The sound quality of the X6 is pretty normal sounding and resembles what typical Airpods alternatives sound like, and I'm glad that they don't sell it as some brands will call their Airpods alternative deep bass, since all Airpods alternative cannot compare compete in the bass department. Edifier markets these as balanced earbuds, and they do sound really quite high quality. The 13mm TPU carbon composite driver does a fantastic job providing crispy mids and highs, and vocals on the X6 is also surprisingly good. Bass on the other hand is lacking, but that is expected of an Airpods Alternative. But I noticed that if you listen to these earbuds upwards of 70% volume, a little bass does start to come out. Soundstage wise, these are pretty nice as they do feel like the earbuds are slightly floating outside of your ears, and sound separation on these earbuds are also really good. So call quality on these earbuds is very good, giving you clear call qualities in both quiet and noisy environments. Background noise still comes through quite a bit, but your voice still gets projected through nice and clearly. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Edifier X6 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbud. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. The X6 provides you with very decent latency control when watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. Gaming, however, these may not be your lowest latency earbuds, but performs pretty similar to most Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds with that chipset. You get a little bit of delay, still playable, but if you're picky about getting the lowest latency possible, then these earbuds may not be for you. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So the control scheme of the Edifier X6 is one of the more basic ones that we've seen, and hopefully Edifier really up their game in the control department in the future. So for starters, the earbuds only lets you control two things, and the first one is for you to play or pause media or to pick up phone calls. So tap twice on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your music, but in my case of my earbuds, I can tap twice and pause the music, but I cannot get it to play back, so I'm not too sure whether it's a flaw with my specific copy or what. So for everything else, you can use your assistant to skip tracks or volume up, or get your assistant to do anything else. So triple tap on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So that's basically all the controls you get with the Edifier X6. So all in all, I think that these are pretty cool looking earbuds, and the control really does bug me a little bit, but if you don't mind using a voice assistant for all of your controls, then you can consider getting these. If you want to check out some of my other reviews on Airpods Alternative, do click on the card right up here and you can check out some of my favorites up there. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.